3D printing in 2026 is no longer slow, complicated, or just for experts. It's faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. But here's the problem. Choosing the right 3D printer has actually become more confusing. With higher speeds, multicolor systems, enclosed chambers, and AI features, it's easy to buy the wrong machine for your needs. So in this video, I've done the hard work for you. I've selected the 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on print quality, speed, reliability, material support, and overall value, not marketing hype. All buying links are in the description below. Subscribe for more deep dive tech guides, and comment what topic you want next. Now, let's start the countdown. Number 5. FlashForge AD5X. The FlashForge AD5X is a fast, versatile desktop 3D printer built for makers who want multicolor printing without complexity. This machine can print up to 4 colors simultaneously, instantly turning simple prototypes into eye-catching finished parts without painting or post-processing. One-click auto-leveling handles bed setup automatically, so your prints start clean and consistent every time. Under the hood, the Core XY motion system delivers serious speed, up to 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, making rapid prototyping genuinely fast instead of frustrating. The 300°C direct drive extrumer, dual-channel cooling fans, and vibration compensation system work together to preserve fine details even at high speeds. Interchangeable nozzles from 0.25 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters let you switch between ultra-detailed models and fast large prints with ease. Smart features like power loss resume, automatic filament loading, and remote control via the FlashMaker app make daily operations smooth and beginner-friendly. Best 4. Designers and hobbyists who want affordable multicolor printing, fast iteration, and visually impressive prototypes. Users who want speed without industrial pricing. Downside: enclosed chamber is limited for high-temperature engineering plastics. 4-color limit compared to larger multi-material systems. Number 4. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is a powerful, large-format, multicolor production printer built for serious output. With Creality's automatic material system, multiple CFS units can be connected to unlock up to 16-color printing, eliminating manual filament changes and post-print painting entirely. High-speed step servo motors push acceleration to 30,000 millimeters per second squared, while 600 millimeters per second print speeds and a high-flow hot end keep output fast, clean, and consistent even on large models. An actively heated enclosure and hardened steel high-temperature nozzle allow printing with demanding materials like ABS, ASA, PACF, and PETG. Dual AI cameras monitor prints for errors, enable real-time viewing, and automatically generate time-lapse videos. Anti-tilt auto-leveling with an independently driven dual Z-axis, a rigid matrix frame, and linear rod support ensure excellent stability and first-layer precision. Best 4. Studios and small businesses. High-volume multicolor production. Advanced users printing engineering materials. Downside: large footprint requires space. Overkill for casual hobby printing. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo proves that compact printers can still deliver serious speed and precision. With a motion system rated up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, the A1 maintains smooth layers even at high print speeds. Multicolor printing becomes simple and accessible using the AMS Lite, allowing clean filament swaps without manual intervention. Full auto calibration handles bed leveling and Z offset automatically, while active flow rate compensation adjusts extrusion in real time to preserve surface quality and fine details. Maintenance is easy thanks to the one-click quick swap nozzle, quiet stepper motors, and a responsive touchscreen. App and web control let you monitor prints, transfer files, and manage jobs remotely. Despite its compact size, the A1 supports common engineering filaments, making it suitable for functional parts, not just display models. Best 4. Makers who want fast, accurate multicolor printing. Designers and small production teams. Users who want plug-and-play reliability. Downside: smaller build volume than large format machines. AMS Lite limits material capacity compared to full AMS. Number 2. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon is a ready-to-run Core XY powerhouse built for durable, professional-grade parts. It arrives fully assembled and pre-calibrated, so you can start printing almost immediately. The rigid die-cast aluminum frame minimizes vibration, keeping tall or detailed prints sharp even at high speeds. With 500 millimeters per second print speed, 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, a high-flow hot end, and a heated enclosure, this printer handles long, demanding jobs with confidence. The 320 degrees Celsius hardened steel nozzle makes carbon fiber composites and engineering plastics practical, while vibration compensation and pressure advance improve surface finish and first layer adhesion. A chamber camera, dual LEDs, remote monitoring, power loss recovery, filament runout detection, and a dual-sided build plate complete a feature set that feels far more expensive than it is. Best for users who want professional results without assembly hassle, engineering materials and carbon fiber filaments, reliable high-speed production printing. Downside, no built-in multicolor system, heavier machine, not ideal for frequent relocation.
Number 1. Qidi Plus4. At number 1, the Qidi Plus4 earns its spot as a true large-format industrial-level Core XY printer. It offers a generous 12 by 12 by 11-inch build volume, making it perfect for large functional parts. The second-generation actively heated chamber uses 400 watts of power, air circulation, and dual-layer insulation to maintain even temperatures, essential for warping-prone materials. The 80-watt hot end with a multi-metal throat reaches 370 degrees Celsius, supporting an incredible range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, PC, PA, PPSCF, and more. Out-of-box setup takes minutes with app control, HD camera monitoring, warp detection, filament runout sensors, and automatic time-lapse recording. Mechanical stability comes from a dual-motor Z-axis, thick 6mm aluminum bed, oversized linear shafts, and reinforced lead screws, ensuring long-term accuracy and uptime. Future compatibility with the KDI multi-filament system adds even more flexibility. Best for professionals and small manufacturers, large prints and high-temperature materials, users who need reliability and uptime. Downside, premium price, requires dedicated workspace.
So those are the best 3D printers of 2026, from fast desktop machines to serious production-ready workhorses. Check the links in the description for current prices. Comment below which printer fits your workflow best. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns. Print smarter, build better. See you in the next one.